bwana atia asiasa bategore Kenya tunoka they are giving us content day by day na lately ituonete waruruku kiri leadership ya assembly na kore MCA bocheta the 13 ba mabo bateka mitine iba suspended kiambas kimwe for 1 year now bangi ni bararitirwe kiri utongere bakamete barari nacio bangi barito some of the committees ire bakuwa ni committee lucrative na to crown it all majority leader kinyawa yarutwa na kanya gake gayuko nungi bobariona this is yani ino mona ndenje bakwawa non to bo support Kawira but then kwe mtu woke through akarinde somewhere awe it's politics. What is it?
Kuche maikoska to your comfort.
Martin na Karimi ambetikirie with the view that isiasa ni assembly assembly te kanisa ati kwena mitaratara iria you know ati kurekaniranga no assembly area kira kikwa pursued ni interest fulani bia mabige before wana gitumi mtu akirungamana kiama fulani kwena benefits iria thairo ategete kiamene na igitara kura there's a reason anto ba tonyere biamene fulani na warikio kuthurwa na kiama kiu utekiama gitina constitution na party loyalty is very key kinya kibara bena nominations then assembly u bara be nominated by nominated ni onto bo certain reasons kura benderie kiama probably kura ba contributor ke go popularize kiama they ended up getting nominations you kethara iki election orungamire na kiama fulani kwena gitumi wetere orungama kiama kiu na kwena support ire kiama gya kunenkere kenda ukinyia kwa elected na kwena whip ndene ya assembly tionde ya national assembly kwena whips te county assembly ya Kiameru na gitumi kia whips ikwithirwo kwina discipline ni untu gukeza kwithirwo gutina discipline agenda iria bia mabikwenda ku advance itithirwo gikinyanira probably no kwithirwo there's a point kwithirwo kwina setup ya you know ugeka anasiasa moe without control zuiza muito zuina nyomochi tena na itokomanya wanasiasa na interest kinyoka change ya environment irapari somehow kuitabia imochi teumba ku stop so kukeza kutho kutina control you to kuona ndene assembly na uto pati ku blame rubiama ndio ndo biama inyabiongo lazima pichi safeguard kwena agenda iria pikwenda commit na oni iria mpomba kuga probably is igitumi mono kia mantu zara to kuona ikuithirwa governor uria wiku ekuwa tena kiama na lazima wengo ageri gukuchia na bara gukuchia rikuchia antu be already biamene ure era wa moshimiwa DMK akero ibunduki chiae tia gukombora so kuterio gukeza gukinya point kwithirwo buru ari secure for as long as atina party ndene ya assembly
so now ambori kioria ndingioria mushone lakini re no you've brought it up Governor Kawira because 2027 nejete na rwiro mno Governor Kawira no make another mistake ya kuroma tena kiama na akia kwithirwa akethi because you see from what I have seen Kawira Mwangaza ne respectively imubwao byama especially kumabura kwa karikire was it 2017
Yes.
so since then nedri twari mubwa wa huku kiamene but then here is another lesson yamanto yayo karika assembly na impeachment whether tuena chio would she make another mistake ya kuruira tena kiama
Independent.
whether it is a mistake kakethari strategy is up to Kawira wengo no is a mistake
a
strategy nionto probably wa moria akoira kethro na tonyere kiamene probably arithirwo ena mirigo nontu ugacoka kithuranone kiu kia 2022 ketha ikiraitu murungi arungami na Azimio ari bas inde ne Azimio kwina murigo juria akamatire nontu bwa Azimio which probably atengi kamata arithirwo atina kiama alright mithika lindu rina ari UDA na kugikinyia towards the end of the election inyora to expect probably mithika thro no rigetie ko ari na some force ari ono ntu bwa wivu ya UDA na mithika is number 2 kawira without a party ira umba kuga encumbrances check ya makana mbio biases you kutechio so you weigh benefits against disadvantages irachirio na wengo no wethiro ari wi akona atiri it is worth kudeal na thina ira kudeal na chio bunka ndena power na prove it monka to this point by surviving twice ite kumata ora mtu survive it I think that is to be fair yes that is to be fair to thirikari yawe ku survive impeachment is not
sure
but whether na kuenda safari ukairi is another question na okuga hiyo ma fear yawe ya biama ya zire rire ageretie kurungama woman rep against Florence Kajuju better nomination na uga kuthithia te luckily for her that time sheria ya kuga wachindo nomination ukarungama kairi tari kuiza so immediately aruka etai but kawira mtu wetherwo endete control atikara kuntu akuigua atina control yes akeza kuigua atin control in an environment atikarau na ntikuona zeka kethro na a lot of control in UDA probably kiromba kuthithia na itukumenya ibageretie kuchoa biama bingi probably nyeke ya makiawe but nande support Kenya kwanza ekiamene kiawe but kutonya UDA nonga nandibwa some other reasons
but itrona first gentleman Oscar akiuga karwa akachwa gitikia secretary general wa UDA does that na no kuona the reason ndio nga president Gachagua aleta kuga huyu mama ingia kwa chama tubakauga lakini wewe ataharia mantu jau
wengo ataharia na rirega kwaria for a reason up to this point kinya baichwa kethro akikuruka ndene ya UDA utika wira kawira wengo rire akaethro akideclare probably auge gutonya UDA au no umbomizokiria na baichu na kinya kawiro it could be a strategy kuona
to test the waters
it could be a strategy ethro baki befriend powers you through kuonania wiru bako thithia te patimbie murigiritie ari thirwa ena bagutonya kiamene it is a lot of Azimio legislators para bathuri bagatonya ndene ya assembly bampange governors already batonyere ndene kila kwanza so imbio murigiritie mwankatha hizi akeza kwithirwa na real intention ya gutonya ndene ya UDA arithirwo atonyete
ankwire bibilia iretie kawira kwithira ugumite
Kadhuri is there Mithika is there
Kadhuri Murungi na Mithika ni to start with
nande that is strengthening my point that akeza ku feel kuina possibility ya wethero atina control muno ya mantu akadili as much as
possible
and on the other side murega noe na kuonania
interest
iko flat kako flat na UDA
that is not a good one
that is a correct one are flat na UDA
lakini hayuko serious
it is flatting yondore imbi onda kungokuria tukiuria apart from you ukomberera ikeza kwithirwa buruku na reason reason ya niki atira tonya mwankatha hizi itokumenya the first impeachment government ya Kenya kwanza niwe monokeria teoma na re president arari nasa kwembicha turonere you know oreo wina ugukia ku interpret no interpret ku agenda irario there was an agenda irario through kugeria kuthiurunka ku arathiurunkirwe but oningitega orangutega kinya ndiongerea might appear to people zekerari positive it might be positive na by the time but this is something that will catch up with her
Atia.
urega catch up nawe kwi mantu zarendereaga miru antu ibarari na a lot of emotions the same way antu bari na emotions igitara impeachment ukeza ku notice inya impeachment ikuthira teka kwari na celebrations as such ndene ya miru bara ona you know bagi parade bara not a view ni antu bara mobilized and anyone can mobilize Dera president arari naza and you go without fear I think kwa agenda parageraia ku there's a message parageraia ku gutuma but don't get on a larger scale president ka go take control na going forward kawira agasing roimbo pro president so inyaetha igutonya UDA kana iguthithia atia kakathithie
na terms cha president
yes take that to the bank
Really?
So now with this rwari rwa eririe kureta ntukwire muthia ya ndionga ya president ya aukara ya kai yakakwenda kwathula antu bembe how politically risky is that but of course ndronere antu bake bakiringa mathabu ya buraka wira ari na kurigari actually kinya wano no wira onto bugire kire chunki so how will this one eje ka affect atia kura chake 2027 miarire wire concerning antu bembe
now ura iga affect masabu jawe ika depend na iba warungamia against baraba karungama ko mupinga ibo baka determine whether move ira razukirie irari wrong move kai right move number 1 akeza kwithirwa na candidate bairi pako mu oppose candidate mo probably umetigania unge umegembe move ira razukirie iketho iri wording agachoka na gitumi ni ate balkanization ni ugutega ndakwirire kura cheka wira more than 60% chaumite gembe chaumite imenti tigania and gembe combined ezukie
the other
40 or less than 40 into yari more than 60% now ozukie scenario if you take a candidate umurite tigania unge urite gembe of course ni gukwira urea yomba go play out ukizuka yatuma sabu urea numbers ikaritu without kuteka dynamics nyingi mono but akeza kwithirwa na one candidate opposite candidate umwe na this is the scenario area iga play out chances chia kwithirwa na one candidate chite iguru muno probably omba kwithirwa na two candidates ba kumoppose kana inya bathatu na I think inya kuruka kwawe last time kwatetherwi kwithirwa
kwina candidate bathatu
yes and then kuna confusion ningi iria chiezire onimbuga muno outcome ya kithurano kia 2022 in the large amount Kenya region anyone that lost aluzire directly nionto ba Uhuru Kenyatta nionto I can tell you for free kuna decision si nyingi kuna decision si nyingi anto baba mikire but ingi make without influence ya state house na ikionda kuira
kiraito murongi for instance Laikipia Nderitu Murithi
yes Ligi Nyanjui Nakuru iute decisions anto bara barenge make without influence ya
Uhuru Kenyatta
ya Uhuru Kenyatta na State House na ikio gituminda kwira atiri ndiunga ya president irerari naza ite affect kawira thaa ici lakini ikathithia the
Ikamu affect.
in 2027
it will
okay now katichoke mbungene David former majority Evans Mawira akiwa ati the problem iraye meru eje echangi bonene ni speaker Ayub Bundi ndiruria candidly Ayub Bundi nwe thina ya meru right now as they allege
assembly bo beno Evans ni MCA na arari majority leader na akinyithia point kwethirwo inya no ku move motion ya impeachment ntaigua akiuga ni Ayub Bundi o mufosite na ugite na fosithitwe but ntaigua akigweta Ayub Bundi the person that forced him. Number 2, structures chebiama the direction ira biama bigo take na members of assembly ira go take chiteza determine the speaker chieza determine that the respective party level na igio to biko na briefs chebiama ira chiapena inyari moto tikumenya na bakairwa direction ira bugo take ni easy how they communicate with the speaker is a different case na kutirio omba ku blame entirely speaker for decisions ira chithithia rimo guketho inya kwina vote ira chigutikwa na kura ikaringwa ngugia speaker igo communicate kiria flow ya kurukia so Ayub Bundi no ethirwa gezu kairua ari scapegoat kana kwithirwo noe easy target soft target ira umba kukinyira rwiro ukethirwo nio kurikira blame but gukeza kwithirwa kwina any evidence the last person ukumireta should be Evans like this my friend
why do you say that
neonto in a very short period of time Evans na thiritwe ari kwa agisapota thirikari achoka me criticize punene muno achoka me enda kairi I don't know in terms of gutega stand ndikuona zeka iwi ku come out very clearly jamtu in a stand very firm
na maybe from where I sit kana ke mwananchi no tuge governor na manage it successfully kwathura na bunge
MCAs far from it nionto numbers ira chirio I think as at now ni 56
versus 13
against 13 kinya gukethirwa I budget igukurukwa na akageria kukurukirwa budget I MCAs 13 uria kari ndikuona zeka succeed kwina chaos in the assembly that is for sure nionto no withdraw bore amwe inde you are together in chaos kuna a lot of chaos in the assembly na oni ntegete rimwe chaos chietharo chi engineered and inya chaos ira chiemiru kwe antu pati kwenda ithira nionto the basic psychology a human being either heri thaira withinene the first instinct either survive
Nima.
The first instinct
How to
survive.
get out
Just kusurvive. Aya. Nande, thaizi kwena ndoa chieku, Israel, kwena ndoa inya Congo, Central African Republic. Ugeta kia ntobarea, needs ira pa nachio. Teizi ugoe karimiwe nachio. Ugo no gukarao na nditha inya chia kinyama mbiri otegatha. No kuona gukunda gachai. O mariraza uri expect withira barabara ria o medithitu
yes
ugoro no kwandi gukurukiro tirine samwe karenthi ukunde kawa ugitega update social media ibo kuthithia groups anga chia guta road trip those are secondary actually they tertiary ino geta ki mtu ura wina war situation kinya bia kuria biongwa
Bitiko ma.
Bitiko wana
Bireza
kanya.
number 2 number 1
Survival.
is survival
Yeah.
nande so long as kuna chaos Meru kote mtu ukapea lot of attention that barabara itithithitwe kutoka pay attention that program imonda wa sibitari utechio kutoka pay attention that ACD classrooms guteitira kwa injero yes
Focus irindo ene.
focus yenu ni impeachment na ndo aire tia kudiwipe majority leader bagi kairo bangi baberu and even at the national level eu noyo intention ukenda ku control antu they have to be at war na iketo mi anywhere kwena resources mbera nara kwena resources in Africa ezi na kwena peace eta DR Congo hakuna kote mbio kote peace eta gold mines nara gold mines ire kinya South Africa na those areas kwitharo kwena Middle East ga peace irezere the other day most of the oil rich countries kwitharo kwena
tirendo ene.
yes na Meru kichithirite au whether by design or default and that is squarely where we are na minds chia Meru tha izi kiria chiku focus on is simply survival and that is why unfortunately probably for 5 years kutege ntu tangible kiketho kiumirite Meru ni ntu minds chia Meru
Chatonyere ndo ene.
cheuma ki impeachment mbere chigeta easily cheuma uchigeta ki manto sniper cheuma ni ntu kwiro wariria mantu za barabara nanto i justice for sniper bako hariria anto bakarigara yes ka mtu ena nduka na
Katwarire manjegie budget ya Oscar because egoro matu turaragia na somebody ambira atiri MCs bakwarie muno manjegie program based kana itemized mati ambira atiri menya MCs baraba kurokia governor no mwanka misaine kenda gwa ngwitikiria budget yure kari na sheria ni gwitikiria governor arega komisaina atumire nusu budget area so ora tuize muritire jwango gejo wa governor where does ina MCs botikwa nonto kinya for example Martin Union Ward amwathi MCA akauga ngekira barabara nana uratuize governor akeza kumilaunch the barabara herself so where do we leave them MCA nonto at some point mtu arambira atire chunge governor meana watumire nusu budget ira MCA agatethekate governor bukuga yes tuikuragi kina giki governor akureta wengwa where MCA
first of all Karimi I think from what I understand ni ati budget yake ya kwithirwa de kwithirwa hii situation ine onto yeu nanga MCAs bakare okulukia budget lakini bakulukia governor aita kare osaina achokia mbungene na memorandum haibera achenchenia ya MCAs kaba kulukia then either with the new changes you kana ba mekulukia orekadi then from there it is passed
so batera de nako kurukia so long as governor
yes
okay sawa so bad benefit na ikana miradi ya woni ne donjoi mtungi yetu wananchi tukumenya bauga agichunge areka kureta thimu etewe unajua mwananchi ni mtu fani hataki kujua ulipitisha 60 million yeye anataka aone igichunge oreta kamera nukuelewa so benefit MCA au nimbi
I think MCA cover survival mode niontu kutirio under the current political environment kutiro bakethero bena uge muno bwa imbio ikuiza wodine kinya bara bakugwata governor mbaru ndigutikia bena a lot of
I doubt
see actually Karimi ugo kethero uri MCA no kethero nandi ukimupinga muno na kuiza wodine kumono na ukolea yu ezite gukura batinyeza menyateka keza njara inthiri so antu bakusa mau baka
benefit
so issue ya kiria gikuiza as benefit muno tupati ugitega the personal level na inya the personal level tupati gutega muno yes ku contracts bakunenkerwa but on the platform ya kethera kuna actual development ire kuiza ki ward inkuona zeka ward tionde ikethero chiki chikethirwo chikiona development uroethirwo kiregana no
Okay, ukimwenda.
so the small extra na nio probably ba 56 baugite no yambe kare babe basukumane mwanka rira twingo tutikumenya ire every time tukuthogania ndo anithirire chiriambiria fresh
na yoro kiri chunki mheshimiwa Jim aratwirire ati the 13 especially bathato baba mwisho Jim Mawira Mutea na Orongi wa Thagata Elijah arambirire ati antu baga kaba kulukanire na maendeleo barabarene at first maendeleo yaranenkanirwa ni governor but this time round kuringana nawe ni ati maendeleo yanenkanirwa ni assembly because what they are targeting is an itemized kana program based budget. First of all bakachieve onto is it practically possible kwethwa twina program based budget?
Katombo me place tuna percentages itiumba kwethirwa practical to 100%. But to a large extent it can reduce ku sideline completely kwa wards especially na area MCAs baumete batigwitikaniria nae na governor ni ntubeta bakaranthi bauga barabara nani bati kuthithu na ikagwetwa probably na rietwa kethera i barabara i ward ni fulani utiumba gwita allocate mbeca iu elsewhere so ikethirwo igitetheria ku reduce sidelining kana kutizirwa kwa ward iria especially iria chiendegani naye na governor but itiumba ku achieved still 100% kiria gathithia tukigutetheria ku reduce gap iu irio na ku weaponize niontu resources na ndiche thirikari kairaira weaponized ugo weta wethirwa kuigintu utigwitikaniria nakio na ore thirikari kuga resources o ira chibati kuthirwa chikiguna antu ukethora ndicho chiutumirwa ukura ugo uri MCA wa area fulani but nandi antu nabo baria bakuthurire na probably no bathurire inya governor bakaumirwa au nonto teka wize mtoro kuringire te lazima matinethro ataringire kawira no ithwa kuringire na aringira kawira but gatigati kando ya kawira na MCA mwananchi akethro tikyo kuona kakethro akisafa consequences chiando yenu na governor which should not be happening so ikeza kwithirwa kweu na ingomenya iba chiumite buruna bauga they will do that ikeza kwithirwa ka reduce discrepancies you then it is something that inya mwananchi abati go support
Doria katiba ni ene ndonto ikejira in devolution kwithirwa at MCA na governor at some point batete kanire nonto because this is becoming too much.
I think you with your pitfalls chia katibeu na I think into kingi kira bado oninkuthugania katibene bati kwithirwa ichuite njire ku deal na kio beta apart from a relationship ya assembly na executive there's also relationship kana structure ire ku govern relationship ya governor na munini wawe those three things ukeza kuteka counties Kenya thaizi ukeza kwithirwa te assembly bakurwa na executive
ni DG
governor na kurwa naye
na deputy
na munini wawe na outcome chiando hizi always chikethirwa chiri less delivery ya kila mwananchi abati kwithirwa kiona na every time antu bakurwa every time MCAs na governor bakurwa bwambere time na time is a very very key factor taizi 2024 by the end of next year 2025 already ukaambiria kuona campaign mood
Yeah. You kumende in real.
ikurukire
Yeah.
na tu miru no tukuthithia ate
no tukurwa
no tukurwa izi kai at risk of turning out to be a wasted term.
Yeah.
Kukeza kwithirwa confrontations iria chirio chiti go stop. Then miru ikethirwa iguta miaka 5 a lot of programs inya iria chiarana probably tukona chikiguna antu ndene ya miru already ni ikuite ntikuthugania no we umba gupoint gintu gikieru tangible in the duration that we have been kuma kura ikuringo 2022 atwira kwi gintu to achieve tangible.
Yeah.
Tiga tu shadow boxing easy na siasa bado no bakuthima na inya bange inya bate in the picture. You know remo itokuga it's squarely between executive na assembly but at times it goes beyond that.
Yeah.
Kuna hidden hands.
So tukiwa ure how do we then say ndoiji bora chedre to ikari the same time mbeche chia mero no che ya kuma kire exchequer. Why don't we have the tangible programs iji tukuira and where is the money era bati go
Na igweta.
Andi mtu mwambere atiri barabenda ku benefit siaseni bathura igitarira kwina chaos thaira kwina chaos ni ontu thayu kutina bureaucracies iura mitaratara ita kawaida ni ontu ukeza kwina peace everybody na gutega nguge ore bati kuthithia
bati kuritwa
ore bati kuritwa indi thaira kwina chaos kinya ketha ikurita mbeca
ikauma itena bureaucracy
chikauma itena bureaucracy siu ketha karibi uwe chief officer wetua mbeca ikanona igwo wizura chikathithia the
kauma
koguo ni mbeca chikwenyango every time kwagea impeachment ukathogania thirikari ya county ya Miru itigwita hasara actually mbeca iria ciutumika ku defend impeachment iu obwirwa ngane antu bachangite kanambi but the truth is no mbeca iria cibati guthwa cikithia maendeleo no ciguchwirwa conduit.
Wow.
Na te Miru aki anywhere you see an impeachment utiro mtu omba gwita i defend na mamilioni zare okuiguara za kigwetwa kwithirwa mbeca cia waitite muko ari mbeca iria cirabati gwikira barabara mbeca iria cirabati gwaka classrooms somehow a portion of that ikazukua na no ntu thayu minds cienu ora mbugire minds cienu indo ene ire utoga tinda kuthingatira muno
na mbeca ikuma
so mwaka za zuzu athira what has been done
nothing.
Okay.
Financially akaitete kuthira
Yes. So now these 2 financial years bana Oscar kachitete kuthira we are now turi muri yuele tutieri think meri ena tuthiria mwaka yoyo ngi yuele 2023 2024 tukumakiri mwaka 2024 2025 now mtu mwa araua atiri tikurikana no ura araua ati solution ya Miru ya ndo ijiri kukuthira ni twambiri kuma kiri Apex governor ba watanira na munini owe ndo eyi ikathira. Would you think on the same line ati Reverend I think ba watana na governor Kawira ndo iji chiemero chionde together to equate at least by 3/4 mbero choki kiure kiu kire Facebook Payas Kobayarua, what next for the crying 13 now that all development projects will be determined by the county assembly. The Sober 56 waendelee the Sober 56 ama waendelee kunyonya. Golden hata kawa power belongs to the people not president. Mnadhani Mwangaza ni mtu mchache hivyo, ngojeeni 2027 mtashtuka governor akishinda tena. Onesimus Vai Munene Arua Kawira Mwangaza will amaze you. The moves she is taking may result to her getting more than 52% of the total votes cast in 2027. ngwatanĩro ya Reverend Mutuma na Governor Kawira ikathiria ndo ici Meru?
If it happened, and the word is if, is it ko happen, a lot of nkuchaniro kuona chiathira. Nkiaria some months ago, nontu kwirogwe twari tukumenya long before inyaza mantu za kurega kuiganu kwa governor na munini we kumira itwari tukumenya relationship yao is over. Na twariria mantu zau what division yao ithithitie ki created space na ndo aimwe Kawira no chi invite kukeza kwithirwa ibogwatene boy governor na munini waku inawe and then you create space you create kanya katikati ka babu ni chaite accommodate vacuums ko wa create vacuum katikati kenu kwi gintu gika occupy na probably kinya baraba kukeza kwithirwa kwiboba kwenda kuona thirikari yawe it is stable kaba yetenjira raisi rock that government from within. Na ndaugire akeza kukaranthe akathugania boega akona thina ciawe iria nyingi inacia umite. For instance, ntigwitikia the second impeachment iringiza Kawira ringithirwa akiritanirie ngugi na Mutuma. The second impeachment. Na inya thaa ici tukwariria mantu za 13 against 56. Kawira akethirwa bakiritanairia ngugi na Mutuma amwe. Discussion ni withirwa very difficult. Nio ntukeza kwithirwa let's assume Kawira ibaigenwo mono nao na Mutuma to assume ibaigenwo kabisa. It's an assumption. Na ugo Martin tuge na ndino kwenda kuona Kawira ake impeached. Na wethirwa baigenwo kabisa withirwa uritega Mutuma ukona Kawira. Kinya wina mind eko overthrow Kawira ikinya mwachirari.
This will not succeed.
It succeed na inya succeed ete achievura nkwenda. Nionto Kawira uma ndio na uthiubo wae bungi in the face of
Mutuma.
But rena ndio mweberie completely. Na kwethirwa antu baba baeteke kabe almost side easy different kabisa. You are giving space for inyabara bangi bomba na omuskumire menya kinya ogwe ngogeza kwithirwa deputy ogasukuma mwenga kwatuika uskumirwe o kinya mwisho kinya kwa ndi survival instinct tigatonya ko kinya kethera iko side na baraba ko opposite you do it willingly.
So sometimes tukithiria impeachment ya mbere tukithiria Oscar Kawira aromere mbere media rawatiri ndo ijibo kuona ikieyombethia mtu very popular and then the guruji it has proven so na mtu mwambirira atiri Governor Kawira, this is how she drives in chaos. Do you think so?
I would agree that na invite chaos na gitubia invite chaos ni ontu tento baba ingi bombana na chaos. Kwe words ndairwe mithika gitumira against Kawira. Auga rira Kawira gweta mantu za mitemba na you know
sukari na
whatever. Auga wate kwenda kwa invited kiendo ayaye ya ngurwe. Kukeza kwithirwa na kumenya buru strength yawe. Na hii siasa Martin akeza kwithirwa na kumenya strength yawe ithaira kuna chaos ni onto probably uti muntu ungi ukombana na the kind of chaos kana drama ile omba kwithirwa gipool you know ukamwatu you give her that ni onto at the end of the day how do you get elected kwibaya kura kwibeta bakagura kura ntuku cia mwisho kwibakeza bairianto na PR na kethera we ikios chigutuma thie buria then let the opponents come up with a way ya gutako those chaos. That is what I would say.
Thank you, Oscar. Thank you.
Martin Mawera, Grace Arua. Good morning, guys. Tuned in. I'm Apostle Martin Mawera kuma Kagaene. Arikuira Mutugi, you are a very smart man. Politics, in politics, Meru, we need God.
God. Si hata mwanadamu. We are that bad.
So,
thank you.
For how long? Madhuyaya ethala bere Oscar.
Ande ne apostle de.
Yes.
Apostle ande agutura we need God. Ioma. Ande na kutori kanemiru to na at the helm. Is a governor and a reverend. Probably papa tiku izamwe.
Bishop.
A bishop na reverend. Ipapa ti probably kuizamwe. Torombe murungu toreamwe.
What would bring the two together? Other than God.
Mugere if. Na you know at yani without any fear. Nte kuona buru.
Bage yamu.
Ari.
Twagweta Oscar kwena antu bakuga twarire manzoregia Kalonzo gutigirwa kieni wenkani Raila lakini muthikire thacia twetwetekiria please inamidit. I don't know why people are not anto bariuga Kalonzo ati umana na opposition now that Raila now front monoke. What says you?
No, Pedro, a small point for the mere fact that before Padu to menya about bid ya Raila kwa chair. This appears to have been something iradhi to inye government under wraps ne discussi. Na I think tukiuga ikware na handshake we were not wrong.
I agree.
Totally wrong. Na kinya bidi ongo the formal presentation ya bidi izira ikirue imusalia Mudavadi. That tells you a lot. Probably one of the agreements is Raila umara siasa etake dhirai shughuli nechia wechia yu siasa chia Kenya natika nacho completely. Na base ya nani, that would mean that base ya Raila ute mtu aka endorse. And without direct endorsement ya Raila ikethiro ya up for grabs. So Ruto no ethiro na shortcomings chia na mirigo ere nayo but don't write him off in ku grab offense sababu baketho batigino kuketho kuna a lot of political offense na kugeza kuthwa na ara grab offense ba winya Raila areo to hauma.
Okay.
Because I have seen kaditi in the standard barua Madhya can disorient bonene sana, especially the Luya community.
Thank you.
The Luya and the Luya.